Hi guys, welcome to my crazy life. It's Lori, and today I have a Dollar Tree haul for you. I also have a cold. I'm sorry for the snuffies and all the reds, but it is what it is. We're having some hot coffee in my bicycle cup from Starbucks because my throat hurts, but I want to get this haul up for you. All right, here we go. Because also I have Super Bowl food in the oven, so I may have to pause for a second. And then I have the Super Bowl starts in 10-20 minutes, so we need to get going here. So at the Dollar Tree, this is a couple trips. I got some more of this ribbon. I love it, and I used all the other, and I don't feel like this is strictly Valentine's Day. So I got some ribbon. I purchased some more garlic. This is really good for $1. I purchased 2 more of these. I prefer the Country Time peach iced tea. I take it to work. It helps to get my water in. And it's good. I mean, it doesn't have ideal sweeteners in it. It does have aspartame. So that's not great, but I did pick up some of these. These aren't the gigantic ones they sell at Walmart, but they'll do the duty. Ooh, and I'll just throw that across the room. They're just craft sticks, and I'm using them in a project coming up, and I needed the fat ones. So I got these. I just got one notebook. I'm on the hunt, but I picked up this one. It says No Problema. It's pretty shiny. I'm pretty sure it's just 60 sheets. It is, yeah, 60 sheets, and it is lined. I need to go through all my notebooks. It's a problem. So I'm trying to hold back, but I'm going to give a bunch away, so that's good. I did pick up this fruit holder container thingy. I don't eat a lot of fruit on keto, but I can have berries, and I like, I'm going to take this apart and show you, that it clips on for your lid, and this piece comes out, and if you can see in the bottom, the fruit's not sitting on the bottom getting rotten, and air can circulate, so I like that. And it goes with my, ooh, hello, I'm not sure how to, oh, Lori, the lid has sides to lock it shut. I mean, it's not Loctite or Tupperware brand, but it'll certainly hold some berries in my refrigerator, or vegetables if I cut up some like celery and stuff. I have all this red. It's what happens when I blow my nose a lot, because you wanted to know that. I picked up some of these roses. I don't love these roses, but it's a long story, but I ride in Pelotonia. It's a bicycle ride to raise money for cancer research here in Columbus. And it benefits the James, and that's where my mom was treated for her cancer. Today is the 2-year anniversary of her passing, and part of Pelotonia is the arrow, like you're always moving forward. And so this year we get to decorate our own, and my mom loved yellow flowers, and so I'm going to make a yellow flower arrow for my contribution. So I needed some big flowers for that. Long story for like nothing really. I got, oh, I'm going to say what I think is the best for last, or the cutest, anywho. I got some Epsom salts. If you have never soaked in an Epsom salt bath, let me tell you, it's amazing. You can soak feet. I just take a whole bath in it, but I will tell you, you need like 1 to 2 cups of Epsom salt to really make your tub beneficial to you. If you suffer from eczema, this will help clear up a flare-up. I've had it before. I have eczema, and if I soak in a Epsom salt bath, now I wouldn't soak in a lavender scented one. I would just soak in a plain Epsom salt bath. It does help with the red itchy from the eczema. Anyway, so I got this because clearly I don't feel well, and I need to take a hot bath after the Patriots win, of course. I picked up 2 of these fences. Now, when I decorate my mantle for spring, I bought 2 last year in black. And I spray painted them like a little bit of white so they look kind of distressed. But this is gray. And I saw on Christy Davis, I think it was, she did where she glued 2 together and made like an art wall piece. Okay, that is the timer. I've got to go flip my, what am I having? Bacon wrapped jalapeno poppers. One moment, please. All right, I'm back. I flipped them over. They're cooking away. I got my Patriot shirt on, by the way. Go Patriots. And I believe that's Bill Belichick. We're going to say that's Bill Belichick. It's actually Pat the Patriot, but that's okay. Okay, next up. I got a pack of hangers. I have a clothes rack, like a portable clothes rack in my basement, but what I use it for is to hang wreaths on. So I take a hook, I tie a string through it, and I hang it on a hanger so they don't get all gross and like mushed up and stuff. So they hang on a clothes rack, and I needed some more hangers for that. So I got those. I bought 2 boxes of these tissues. A, I just love the box. And B, they are with soothing lotion. Right, like you do. So I purchased that the other day. I don't even know when anymore. Oh, here's the other. This is for work. It needs to go to work with me. Like everybody else, I grabbed one of these lunch storage towers, and it looks much bigger on TV than it actually is. I was worried it wouldn't fit in my lunchbox, but when I saw it, it will. And I'm going to do celery, probably, or, you know, like veg with some ranch on that side. And on this side, pork rinds for my snacks when I leave the house or have to do stuff. And this is not dishwasher safe or microwave safe. So just keep that in mind if you pick one up. And I love the navy blue. I love navy blue. I'm obsessed with navy blue. I picked up some tissue paper. Darn you, crafty girl. She always enables me. But I got some more of this one because I don't feel like that's just for Valentine's Day. I love the pink. I love the white with the gold hearts. So I purchased one of those. And then this one with the navy blue and like the watercolor. So pretty. So pretty. This would be great for summer birthdays. And this one, what? Dollar Tree? There are dogs and cats on it. Yep. Dogs and cats. I mean, who doesn't need dogs and cats on their tissue paper? And I like the teal and then the white. Just plain white over there. So I picked up these to put in my year-round gift wrapping tote bag area. Oh, I bought strawberries at the grocery store, and I wondered where they were to go in here. Although there's more strawberries, but I'll wash up some and put them in here. And they'll feel good on my throat. And then I didn't really do too much purchasing, I feel like, in the last week or so. I'm trying to get the things that I know I'm going to use. And I did get, I'm not sure if I'm going to like this, but it's the Kool-Aid Sour Shocking Blue Raspberry. Again, they're just drink mixes. So I got 2 of those. I'm just stocking up for summer. I'd go through a lot of those in the summer. Hi, Alex. He's just hanging out. Today is also Gotcha Day for Alex. 1 year ago today, I adopted him. So, I picked up this. I have not seen these before. It's in the Valentine's section, but I'm not sure that it's only for Valentine's Day. I think I'm going to put some, like, hearts in it, though. I have some red plastic hearts. And then take the ribbon and tie a bow on it. But I don't feel like it has to be for Valentine's Day. And I might use it for other things after. And it's glass. So I liked that. And I was super excited to come across these. We're going to open them up and sniff them. The they are Roll-On Aroma Guru. I got peppermint and muscle relief. Muscle ease. And I want to smell the muscle ease. We all know what peppermint smells like. I love peppermint, especially like if I have a headache. but I think these are roll-on. Okay. Not too bad. I mean, it's got a nice scent to it. I have a muscle ache. We'll see how it does. I can't, if it tells me what the ingredients are, I can't read it. It says do not apply to broken skin. So, muscle release, oil blend. It's wintergreen, eucalyptus, peppermint, ginger, black pepper, turmeric, and nutmeg. Wow, that's pretty interesting. And it doesn't smell overly strong. Of course, I can't smell much, but I'm gonna try it. I mean, it can't hurt me. I guess it could hurt me, but let's just hope it doesn't. And then the other one that I purchased was this. Now they have lavender, and lavender's fine, and they had tea tree oil, which again I like, but I have a lot of eucalyptus tea tree scents and other things, but I really, really enjoy the peppermint. It says natural vapor rub helps heal itchy skin, soothes tired feet, awakens mood, helps ease headache, helps increase focus. Who doesn't need all of that? I do. Okay. I'm getting it out of here. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, that's good. That's good. So I picked these up. And they were on a hangy-doily thingy, but sitting on the floor. So I figured that one out. And then I got this in navy blue. What? With the flower design. I love navy blue. I'm on the hunt for more of these. For my pantry. I need to do some pantry organization, and for like my chocolates and baking stuff for my keto can go all in here in my pantry. So I grabbed that, and I'm looking, like I said, for some more in that color. And then the last thing I found, I'm just gonna sniff my peppermint, was some socks. And I told myself that I wasn't going to buy the low cut socks because I don't need those, but then I found cats. And I mean, like, what? Who doesn't need these? Who doesn't? And it's 2 pair for $1. And I'll say again, I wear an 8.5, but I have a wide foot. I'm not super wide, like I don't wear a wide shoe, but a wider foot, and they just fit me. I don't know that if I had a 9 or bigger, I would want to wear them. But, and these are pretty thick. I mean, these are not chintzy socks. So I got the cats for me. And for Sarah, my niece, or Teresa. I think I'll give these to my coworker, Teresa. She'll like these. Wine glasses. Dubston, what are you doing, buddy? Yeah, is that crazy? I think so. These are awesome. Now, these only come 1 to a pair. I don't understand the difference, to be honest with you. No show socks. And why these come 2 to a pair, but whatever. 2 to a pack. So I got the wine. And then I found for myself coffee cups. Duh. Yeah. I mean, what else can I say? They're pink. They look like a Starbucks travel mug. And the gray heel. I love it. Now, I need you to sit down for this one. It hits all of my boxes. It checks them all. First of all, they're gray with a pink heel and the lime at the top. Please look at the avocado. She's running. She has a pink headband, and they say avocardio. Avocardio. What? Who loves a pun? I love a pun. Oh, and the design is on both sides of the same sock. So, yes. And then, oh, the toes are also pink. I mean, these are Completely adorable. And they're nice, heavy, thick sock. I mean, but they're not so thick that you won't want to wear them in your shoes. So I grabbed these for me because I'm that crazy girl. So that was everything from the Dollar Tree that I purchased in the last couple days. So I think I'm doing pretty good not buying things that I'm not going to use, which is what I was doing. So then there's that. Now, I'll show you what I got at Kohl's tonight because I have their bag sitting right here in front of me. First of all, I got Sarah Ann some chocolate for Valentine's Day or for her birthday. Maybe she can take it to the concert or have it whenever. But I got her some milk chocolate with almond and solid milk chocolate. And it's Godiva, and who doesn't love Godiva? So I got that for my Sarah. And I'm needing new shoes, and I'm having a huge shoe purge. Let me know if you'd like to see it. If not, I'm just going to do it. But I have got an embarrassing amount of shoes. I buy new shoes all the, not all the time, but I buy a fair amount of shoes, and I don't throw away the old ones, and then I end up wearing the old ones, and that needs to stop. So, I went to Kohl's. Well, actually, I ordered a pair of shoes that didn't fit me, so I ran over to Kohl's. This is the Craft and Barrel brand. These are called the Drawbridge Multicolor 8.5. Now they're a little big, but I wear them in the summer without socks, so I wouldn't want them tight. They're just a little flat. They're super cute. That's like fabric, almost like a tweed, and then the black. I like to have a nice summer flat in black and definitely in brown to go with different outfits, but that's my timer. I'll go get that in a second. So I grabbed a pair of those, and these were on sale this week for $24.99, which I didn't think was a bad deal. They have a Ortho Light cushion on the inside. The bottom has some slip resistance. And like I said, in the summer, I will wear these without socks. So I always go like a half a size. The 8 just fit me. Like, they fit me fine, but it's not something I would want to wear if my feet are hot. And then the reason I went was to return a pair of shoes that I purchased, and then I picked up a pair. Right now I wear Sycks, and these are trail runners, I think, or I think these are a trail runner. I'm not a runner, but I need a good supportive shoe, and I liked this color. And these are size 8.5, and these are called Gel Venture 6 Women something. I don't know. Anyway, so I got these. These were $69, which is not really bad when you need a good like, I need a good shoe. Oh, and I love the bottom. For when I exercise, when I ride my bike, all of that. Hi, Alex. All right, well, that is everything I purchased today. Let me know down below in the comments if you're interested in a shoe purge, because it's going to be brutal. Brutal. I got to get rid of these shoes. All right, everybody. Have a good one. I will talk to you later, and I hope you can avoid this cold. Go Pats!